pesos only, this one. And also my short, 50 pesos only. So it's 100 pesos, this and this. It's $2. $2 outfit. Can you please forgive me? Ang kulit, Lord. You don't have to say sorry. Forgive me, forgive me. Actually, I really don't care. I just enjoying here what I what I'm doing. Please forgive me. I don't know what to do. Ay, nako, forgive me ka dyan. Wala naman akong pakialam eh. The important for me is enjoying. I am enjoying what I'm doing. And of course, never mind the negative things. And the important is I have my lipstick on. Just kidding, guys. Hi. Thank you, guys. I have 73 likes now. Vicky, yeah. Where are you from, darling? By the way, if you want to see more of me, you can, subscribe my Patreon or Aloha. You can visit me there. Outfit show us. Atay, oy, ito pala, oh. Hindi pala yan kita. Kita na yan. Pak! Pak! Simal Akar, hello. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of banana.